Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am taking you guys with me to Walmart. So if you guys are interested in seeing what we find, then please keep watching. So the first item that I see is a rollback tuna, and this is the chunk light in water by Great Value. Here there's a lot of bins with clearance items, mostly like undergarments. They have a lot of these Hanes Ultimate panties for women. And let's see, here's another one, only $3. A lot of these are missing one, or they're opened, or I don't know why they would be on clearance, but yeah, they have a lot of items here. This one is 3 pairs of, I believe, pantyhose. I'm not sure, I think that's what they are, but for $1 that's really good. Let's see, socks. I didn't see any clearance stickers on these, and I didn't even bother checking to see if they were clearance. Oh wait, they were t-shirts, sorry, not socks. But I mean, they were all mixed in with the clearance items, so they might have been. I should have checked and I didn't. Then they have this little like sports bra for $3. It was a small, so I didn't get it. If not, I would have gotten it. Oh, it's a wire-free bra. They have the peel and stick little bras. And this one, plunge bra, U-plunge bra. Really good deals. Unfortunately, I don't need them. That's not my size, so I didn't get them. More panties. Then this one, it wasn't clearance, but it was really cute. It was only $7.96, I believe. Let's see. Oh, guys, by the way, the reason why I'm showing mostly or nothing but clearance is because my friend Shay came up with the idea that we go to a store a week and check out their clearance items. And I saw that she already did the Walmart one, so I decided to go ahead and go to Walmart as well and check out their clearance as well. So I'm following up on hers. And then we'll see what other store we go to next, but this was her idea, to just go to a store and look at nothing but clearance items. And I found a lot of them here at this Walmart, so I'm really happy that I'm able to show you guys a lot of the clearance items from this Walmart. These are usually really expensive too. A lot of these Otter phone cases, or the good like material phone cases, so for them to be on clearance is really good. But yeah, this is all Shay's idea. I'm not taking any credit for it. It's her. She messaged me about this, and so I'm just going along with it because I'm down for the challenge. She did call it, I believe, clearance challenge, so this is what I'm gonna go ahead and call it too. So I'll link her video down below and you guys can check it out because she found some really good deals too. And she also does couponing, which I need to get myself into because she can come out with such great deals with those coupons. But yeah, let's see what else I can show you guys. Oh, this Photoshop. Photoshop, I'm not sure how you use it, but I mean, it's on clearance. I know a lot of people probably will be into Photoshop, so this is also one thing that I was really shocked. All these inks for $30, so it wasn't one each, it was the whole pack for $30. Then they had all these little like desk supplies, paper supplies, all these stationery items on clearance. They had like for you to wrap things up so they won't break, a whole bunch of them. I ended up getting one of those cardstock paper packs for my sister-in-law because she has the Cricut, and she uses cardstock a lot. I didn't know what color she would like, so I just got her the one with multiple colors. And they have this journal, which is really pretty. It's really different. I hadn't seen a journal with these little dots on there, but yeah, $3. These are the bright little neon colors that I saw. The cardstock paper. This big pack was $3.50, and then this little smaller pack was $2, but my sister-in-law was just telling me that at Michael's there are like $6.50 each or $6.99, so that was such a good deal. I got this mini sheet protector for my little mini planner. I thought that was perfect. Then they had all these binders for $1.50. They had a lot of them, and this one is one of the ones that I liked. Then check this out, they had these legal pads for only $3.50. I believe it was like 6 of them. This one was opened, so I'm pretty sure it's missing something, for $11.95. They had a whole bunch of scales for $15. Not bad. I don't need one. I don't want to be checking on how much weight I'm gaining. I ended up getting this notebook for Sebastian, so he can write in and color and do whatever he wants with it. He loves Olaf, so I thought it was perfect. Then they have these phone cases for $1.50, which is a good deal as well. And tools for all you gentlemen who need some tools. I believe they were missing like 1 or 2 items, but if you don't need that and you need the rest of them, then that's a great deal. I also found this huge truck. It was $14.98, but all I kept thinking about was more mess. If I would have gotten this for Sebastian, there would be cars and little things all over the place. A blackjack, guys, check it out. A trolley jack, I mean. Clearance. I thought that was a pretty good deal. Then they had these work boots for only $10. I would have gotten them for my husband, but 13 is just huge. Check it out. Then they had these other ones for $11. They were also 13 though. And that's it for today, guys. Please comment and like this video. Subscribe if you aren't already. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon, or I'll see you guys soon.